Hi students, welcome to my channel. Now I am going to explain 7th class, 3rd chapter, simple equations, unit exercise. First problem. Choose the correct answer. Which of the following numbers satisfy the equation minus 6 plus m it is equal to minus 10? Simplify the simple equation and find the value of m. So given simple equation minus 6 plus m it is equal to minus 10. So in this simple equation, find the value of m. So remove remaining all terms. First remove minus 6 by add both sides by plus 6. So add 6 on both sides. Add 6 on both sides. So minus 6 plus m plus 6 that is equal to minus 10 plus 6. Minus 6 plus 6 it is equal to 0. So m it is equal to minus 10 plus 6 it becomes minus 4. So finally we got m equal to minus 4. So m equal to minus 4 is option C. So answer is option C. Next problem, first one and second one, the equation having minus 2 as a solution. So in this problem given 4 options, check all 4 options, which one is equal to solution minus 2. So first option, x plus 2 it is equal to 5. So find out the x value. So x it is equal to 5 plus 2 it is moving to right side minus 2. So x it is equal to 5 minus 2 becomes 3. So x equal to 3, it is not equal to minus 2. So this is not a solution. Next check second option B. 7 plus 3x it is equal to 1. So in this simple equation find x value. So from this 3x it is equal to 1 minus 7. So plus 7 it is moving to right side minus 7. So simplify this, 3x it is equal to 1 minus 7 becomes minus 6. So now find x equal to minus 6 divided by 3. So 3 into x. So 3 is a multiplication here. So it is moving to right side division. So by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. So from this x equal to minus 2. So we got x equal to minus 2. So this is a solution. So only option B is right answer. Next problem, first Roman third one. If small a and small b are the positive integers, then the solution of the equation ax equal to b will always be a dash. So first option positive integer, second option negative integer, third option 1, last option is 0. So first given simple equation is ax equal to b. So in this simple equation a comma b are integers. So now take any integers in the place of a and b. So here I am substituting. So a equal to 1, b equal to 2. Why? Because 1 comma 2 are belongs to integers. So now substitute in this simple equation. So ax equal to b. So a value is 1. So 1 into small x it is equal to b value is 2. So x equal to 2. So observe 2 is a positive. Like this you will take any integer, the x value you will get positive number only. So option 1 is right answer. So option A. Next problem, first Roman fourth one, the equation which can't be solved in integers. So in this problem given 4 options. So which one is equal to not an integer? So not an integer nothing but a fraction. So first check the first option. So option A, 2 into x minus 3 it is equal to 10. So find the x value. So first remove in this simple equation 2, x minus 3 it is equal to So 2 it is multiplication in left side, it is moving to right side, division 10 by 2, 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja. So x minus 3 it is equal to 5. So minus 3 also it is moving to right side. So x equal to 5 plus 3. So x it is equal to 5 plus 3 becomes plus 8. So x equal to plus 8. So it is a integer. So this option is wrong. So why? Because in the problem they are asking not a integer. So but x equal to 8 is a integer. So next go for second option. Option B. X by 3 it is equal to 5. So in the simple equation find the x value. So x it is equal to 3, it is denominator. It is moving to right side, multiplication. So 5 into 3 it is equal to 15. So x value equal to 15. So it is also an integer. So this option also wrong. So next to go for third option. Option C. 5 minus 3m it is equal to 1. Find out the m value. So first eliminate 5. So minus 3m it is equal to 1. Plus 5 it is moving to right side, minus 5. 1 minus 5. So minus 3m it is equal to 1 minus 5 becomes minus 4. So find the m value. So m it is equal to minus 4 divided by minus 3. So numerator minus denominator minus is cancelled. So finally m equal to 4 by 3. So observe 4 by 3 it is not a integer. So not a integer. So in the problem they are asking can't be solved in integer. So m equal to 4 by 3 it is not an integer. So option C is a right answer. Next problem, second one. Fill in the blanks. First one, 2 by minus 1 it is equal to 5. Then value of 5 by plus 3 it is equal to dash. So first from the simple equation find the y value. So after finding the y value, substitute the y value in the simple equation 5y plus 3. So given equation is 2y minus 1 equal to 5. So find the y value. So from this 2y it is equal to minus 1 it is moving to right side plus 1. So 5 plus 1. So 2y it is equal to 5 plus 1 becomes 6. So from this find y value. So y it is equal to, so 2 it is a multiplication in left side, it is moving to right side, division. So 6 by 2, 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. So from this y equal to 3. Now 5y plus 3 it is equal to, so y equal to 3, substitute in this simple equation. So 5 into 3 plus 3. So 5 into 3 becomes 15 plus 3. So finally 18. So 5y plus 3 it is equal to 18. Next problem, second Roman second one. Changing of term from one side of equation to other side is called dash. So answer is transposition. Next problem, second Roman third one. If the sum of the two numbers is 60, one is thrice the other, then the equation is. So first the sum of the two numbers is 60. So first let one number be x. So let one number be x. So other number is, so other number it is equal to, so in the problem given one is thrice the other, so other number is 3 times of the other. So that is equal to 3 into x. So next sum of the two numbers is 60, that is equal to 60. So first number is x plus other number equal to 3x, that is equal to 60. So from this x plus 3x becomes 4x, it is equal to 60. So the equation formed is 4x equal to 60. So answer 4x it is equal to 60. So this is solution for second Roman third one. Next problem, second Roman fourth one. If x is a natural number, then the solution of x minus 8 it is equal to minus 8 is. So in this problem find the x value. So given equation is x minus 8 it is equal to minus 8. So from this find x value. So x it is equal to minus 8. So in the left side minus 8 it is moving to right side plus 8. So minus 8 and plus 8 it is equal to 0. So from this x equal to 0. So x equal to 0 it is not a natural number. So it is not a natural number. So for this equation the x is 0, but in the problem they are asking x is belong to natural number. So there is a no solution. So for the second Roman and fourth one, answer is no solution. Next problem, second Roman, fifth one. 13 subtracted from twice of a number gives 3. So then the number is dash. So first let the number is x. Twice of a number. So twice of a number. So twice of a number is nothing but 2 times of a number. So that is 2 into x, 2x. So in the problem is given 13 subtracted from twice of a number gives 3. So 13 subtracted from twice of a number, that is equal to 3. So that is twice of a number is 2x. Subtracted 13 is minus 13, that is equal to 3. So from this simple equation find the x value. So from this 2x it is equal to 3. Minus 13 it is moving to right side plus 13. So plus 13. So from this 2x it is equal to 3 plus 13 becomes 16. Now find the x value. So from this x it is equal to 16 by 2. 2 it is 2 in the left side is 2 into x multiplication. So it is moving to right side division. So by 2. So 2 1 ja 2 8 ja 16. So from this x equal to 8. So the number is x equal to 8. So the number is 8. So for the second number and fifth one, answer is 8. Next problem, third one. Check whether the value of given in brackets is a solution to the given equation or not. So first one, 2n plus 5 it is equal to 19. So in the brackets is given n equal to 7. So substitute n equal to 7 in the LHS. It is equal to RHS. Then the n equal to 7 is solution. So otherwise it is not a solution. So given LHS, so that is equal to 2n plus 5. So here the n equal to 7 is substitute here. So 2 into 7 plus 5. 2 into 7 becomes 14 plus 5. So 14 plus 5 it is equal to 19. So LHS value it is equal to 19. So in the problem RHS is given 19. So RHS it is also equal to 19. So observe both LHS and RHS are equal. So LHS that is equal to RHS. So n equal to 7 is a solution. Next problem, third Roman B. 3m by 5 minus 7 it is equal to 1. So where m equal to 10. So m equal to 10 substitute in LHS. So given LHS. So LHS equal to 3m by 5 minus 7. So where m equal to given 10. So m equal to 10 substitute here. 3 into 10 by 5 minus 7. So simplify this. 3 into 10 becomes 30 by 5 minus 7. It is equal to 5 1 ja 5 6 ja 30. So 6 minus 7. So 6 minus 7 it is equal to minus 1. So given RHS is plus 1. So RHS it is equal to plus 1. So observe LHS equal to minus 1, RHS equal to 1. So both are not equal. So LHS it is not equal to RHS. So M equal to 10 it is not a solution. So this is third Roman, second one. Next problem, fourth Roman. Solve 5 minus 2k it is equal to minus 3 using trial and error method. So first draw a table. So this is a table. This table consists of 4 columns. First one k value, second one LHS it is equal to 5 minus 2k, third one RHS, fourth column is LHS it is equal to RHS. So first consider k value it is equal to 0. So k equal to 0. Substitute in LHS. So 5 minus 2 into k equal to 0. So it is equal to 5 minus 2 into 0 becomes 0. So 5 minus 0 equal to 5. So LHS equal to 5. So in the problem given RHS equal to minus 3. So RHS never change. So observe LHS equal to 5, RHS equal to minus 3. Both are not equal. So no. Next substitute k equal to 1. So 5 minus 2 into k value is 1. It is equal to 5 minus 2 into 1 becomes 2. So 5 minus 2 equal to 3. So RHS equal to minus 3. So LHS equal to 3, RHS equal to minus 3. Both are not equal. So no. Next substitute k equal to 2. So 5 minus 2 into k value is 2. So into 2 it is equal to 5 minus 4 it is equal to 1. So RHS is minus 3. So LHS equal to 1, RHS equal to minus 3. So both are not equal. So no. So next substitute k equal to 3. So 5 minus 2 into 3 it is equal to 5 minus 2 into 3 becomes 6. So 5 minus 6 equal to minus 1. So RHS is minus 3. So LHS and RHS are not equal. So no. So next substitute k equal to 4. So 5 minus 2 into k value is 4. So 5 minus 2 into 4 becomes 8. So 5 minus 8 becomes minus 3. So RHS minus 3. So observe LHS equal to minus 3. RHS also minus 3. So both are equal. So yes. So k equal to 4. The both LHS and RHS are equal. So k equal to 4 is a solution of given equation. So this is solution for the fourth Roman. Next problem, fifth Roman. Write the following equations in mathematical statement form. So first one, 2m plus 7 it is equal to 21. So first observe the symbol plus. So plus means the sum. So sum of here 2m nothing but 2 times of m. So sum of 2 times of m and 7 is 21. The sum of 2 times of m and 7 is 21. So this is one mathematical statement. So in other words, so R plus 7 means more than 7. So 7 is more than twice the m. 7 is more than twice the m is 21. So both the mathematical statements are correct. Next second one, n by 7 it is equal to 4. So by 7 means 1/7. So 1/7 of n is 4. So 1/7 of n is 4. So this is solution for fifth Roman. Okay students, Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel.